So this question rests on how familiar you are with graphing absolute value equalities. So for example, if I were to rewrite this, this is y is greater than or equal to absolute value of x minus 1. So how quickly can you draw this? I have seen this enough. So this is, again, let me just maybe give you a quick summary. The graph of y equal to absolute value of x looks like this. Minus 1 means it shifts down. So in the exam, I'll be able to do this quickly, qualitatively, of course, something like that. And these arms have a slope of 1. That comes from the coefficient of x here. And that point is 0 minus 1. We're being asked y greater than or equal to 0. So we're looking at this region here. So above this point, and then y is less than 1. So something like that. So we're looking at this region, which is a trapezoid. So something like that. So I need to figure out the height. And that's the easier part because this point is 0, 1. That's the origin. So the height is 1. And then I just need to figure out the two bases here. That point of intersection, so this line is y equal to x minus 1. So here, that's the x-intercept, which is 1, 0. Same thing here. This straight line is y equal to minus x minus 1. So this is minus 1, 0, which means that this length is 2 units. Same thing, we're looking for intersection at this point because the equation of that line is x minus 1, and we're looking where y is equal to 1. So that point is going to be 2, 1. Same thing, minus 2, 1. So that base of that trapezoid is 4. So the area is half times base 1, base 2, times the height, which is 1, and that comes out to 3. So it's an easy question if you know how to graph this quickly. You understand how the absolute value graphs work, which shifts, and how it relates to the basic graph, and then how you shade the different regions. So I would say you almost have to know this in advance because you cannot be figuring this out in the exam. That would just take too much time. So to summarize, the answer is 3.